guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be like a puzzle that I got for my birthday. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to pause every now and then. But other than that, we're going to do this puzzle. So my birthday was August 13th. Make sure you guys go tell me happy birthday. Make sure you guys tell me happy birthday. Because it's the 15th now. Make sure you guys tell me happy birthday. And yeah, so let's get started with the video. Hold up. Let's get started with the video. Peace. Okay, guys. So we got the LOL surprise. But instead of it being like the LOL surprise doll, we got the actual puzzle. And I already like opened it up. It was yesterday though. But I just wanted to make this video for you guys. And then they have and then they show you what the present, and it's Queen Bee. And then they give you some stickers as well. Y'all can see it. They have all these stickers. They got a telephone. They got a cup. They got a text type thing. And they got some cute shoes right here. So that's basically what they got in the ball. Now let's get on with the puzzle. But anyway, guys, so let's get started. I don't know why I just did that, but anyway, let's get started. Okay, yeah, so I did my best to kind of get it on the table because I'm not with that actual camera. I'm on the phone right now. So let's just dump out all the puzzle pieces. Let me pick this up. I'll be back with you guys then. Guys, I hope I have all of it, but if you didn't know, or like, yeah, so if you didn't know, I also, like, I had to, like, it came, like, hold up. This little ball right here, it came with, like, a surprise wrapper, but I took it off because I told you I opened it on my birthday. I just wanted to make this video for you guys. And then it comes with these. Be back with y'all guys in a minute. Guys, I'm gonna have to move into the living room floor, so let's go. So guys, if you can see or not, I am literally on the floor with all my puzzle pieces and my ball and me. So let's get started with this video. So guys, excuse if you hear any background talking. I'll try my best to get on the floor. But let's start. So we got like, let me show you the weirdest thing, the thing that I thought was the weirdest. Where is it at? Okay. It came with it came with the word LOL, literally, y'all. But it goes in the puzzle, which is super duper weird to me. Like, what? But anyway, y'all, so let's get started. So, I don't know what to start off from. Guys, I'm finna just start, like, looking through the puzzle pieces or whatever, and I'll be back with you guys then. So guys, I have finally found, like, I found this piece and this piece, which goes together. So let's move on this so y'all can probably see it. Okay, now let's get right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. I'll be back with y'all when I set it up a little bit better. Wait. I can ask some of the kids to grab back up completely, but I'm gonna keep trying. But first, I just want to put this piece together. So let's do it, and I'm gonna show you guys. So far, we only got this, which is a shame. But we're gonna keep on working on this. So as I find more pieces, I'm gonna be with you guys more. So let's go. As I was saying, I couldn't get it too close to the floor no more. I don't know why that happened. But yeah, so I was trying to set it up just then, but it didn't work. And I found another piece of the puzzle just now, before I even started. So, here's what it is first. I mean, so far. So good, I guess. But excuse me, I guess I said a couple minutes ago. Excuse me if you hear background talking, because family is here at the moment. I'm in the middle of the living room floor trying to put together a puzzle for you guys, and you did never ask me nothing because this is my first video, obviously. But make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. But I'm not going to end the video right here. We're going to keep making puzzles. We got to keep making the puzzles. So, I'm going to find some pieces. Let them go ahead. guys, I'm gonna be back with y'all when I find another piece of PV. So guys, I kinda, oops, I'm not supposed to pick it up. But y'all, so I'm just gonna show y'all from a view, I guess. So this is what I got so far. So y'all, here it is. But now let's finish it up. It's a really pretty puzzle to me. But let's finish it up. I'll be with y'all when I get another piece. So guys, excuse me if there's people in the background. As I was saying, it's like camp folks here. But this is what I got so far. Again. But let's keep on working. And we'll figure some things out. Yep. Okay. There goes right there. Oh god, it's coming together to me easy because I made this puzzle yesterday. So it's really not too hard and it's not too difficult. So y'all, yeah. So make sure you guys, like I was saying earlier, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, please. Okay, I'll be back with y'all when I find some more. So I'm kind of having a little bit of difficulty, but I will find it. So let's go. So guys, so it was the thing. I only have this. Kind of move all of them. Okay, so this kind of what I got. If y'all can or can't see that, that's what I got for now. And that is one of Queen Bee's buns. If anyone can see this or not, this is it. This is what the puzzle will look like. But I'm not using that. No, I'm not. But let's see. I need some more gold pieces for her hair. Ooh, it's a fat one. Nah. Let's try this way. Nah. Yeah, I'll be back with y'all in a second. No, that piece that I was just fooling with, guess what? It went at the bottom of it. Really? Let's keep it going. So guys, it's coming along good, super fast. But anyway, like remember that L that I was telling you guys about? Guess what? It's time to put the L on. And the L is kind of like a sparkle color. I don't know what you can really call it. And it got bent up, which I'm super mad about. But it's okay. Let's finish on the puzzle. Oh my god, I'm not playing anymore. I'll be with you guys later. Look, guys. Look at that. It's like kind of like a headband. But let's get finished. How can I get up? Look at those socks, guys. Oh. Travels fast in the smoke. Let's go. Guys, I got most of it done now. Look at it, and then as you can see, this right here is the O. And you gotta turn it to like where you can think her is, and then this is her face. Okay, not her face, but her eyes. But I'll see y'all in not another video, but in a little bit. And guys, I just forgot to tell you that this little yellow circle here, it goes in the inside of the O. My goodness. I know I'm going to stay feet right there, but anyways. So, here it is. Make sure in here. Get in there. Now. Get in there. So guys, it's not all the way. I'm going to be back with y'all when I get it. So guys, see it is. It's not all the way in, because it's not going to fit all the way in. Because I beat it in until it got in there. But it's not going to fit or work. So, yeah, so I'm going to get started back on the puzzle. And I'll be with y'all when it kind of gets to, like, the lips and the body. The lips and our body. The lips and our body. The lips and our body. So guys, I am coming along. Now that I just took the feet, I'll be finished. And I'll be with y'all right there. So guys, here's the full puzzle. Here it is. But anyway, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Holla. Yeah.